Hi, I'm Trish from Chromatical. I'm a colourful digital marketing specialist who's so excited to share my 10 years of marketing knowledge and experience with fellow creatives like you. I've done a lot these past 10 years. I've built shops and blogs, ran courses, created marketing strategies for businesses big and small, and that's just to name a few. Marketing is my entire world, so if you're here because you want to market your brand a little bit differently, a little bit more colourfully, then you're in the right spot. Let's start. Just got a bit of a quick little Instagram hack for you today that I learned at a conference that I recently went to. It was by Nathan from Founder Magazine, and I thought it was genius. So I wanted to share it because it's a bit of a sneaky way to get really hot leads for your business. So this is what he's done himself and found it to work really well. His partner sells these really cool water bottles and she's done it as well, and it's also worked very well, and I have done it myself before and it's also worked very good. So passing it on to you. Now, you know on Instagram how there are polls, you post a question and there's a yes and a no field where you can put any information that you want in there. Well, this is so underutilized. Now, if you were to post for your business a question that's like, hey guys, who'd be interested in XYZ? And you had a me field and a yeah, nah, probably not for me field, but said in a much better way so that you don't get offended. You know what I mean? Is that everyone who touches the me field are likely to be potential interested people for your business. So, well, let me backtrack a little bit. A lot of people post ads to try and find their hottest leads that would want their product so that you can then market to them. But what if these people who touched the me, they're literally saying, I am potentially interested in what you have to offer. So if you were to then contact those people because you see in your behind the scenes Instagram page who these me people are, you can actually click on them and say, hey, noticed that you're interested in XYZ product. Would you like a free sample? Would you like something else? Would you like free shipping if you purchase? Would you like a discount on your first order? Would you like to buy? Are there any questions that you'd like to know about it that's been stopping you from buying it previously? You can ask these really hot leads that are really hard to find, and a lot of people spend a lot of money on advertising towards them, even just to find them in the first place. You can actually directly message them on Instagram where they are. They've already said that they're interested, and you can get a lot of sales out of it. So whatever you're selling, whatever you're thinking of selling, if you have an idea that you haven't made yet and you're even just wanting some information of whether people would be interested in it, post a poll, get in touch with everyone who says that they're interested, see what information you can get out of them. See if you're thinking of just even making a product and you post a poll and they say they'd be interested in buying it if you made it, ask them questions about what price they'd pay, what color they would want, where they would be happy to purchase it from. I don't know what questions, I'm thinking of a million different products here, but ask them questions, sell them your products, because they are the ones that they have for free said that they are interested in what you do, what you offer, your products. So utilize the polls and utilize them in still a fun, non-salesy way, but ask questions, ask them what you can help them with. They may be interested in it but have been skeptical for some reason, have unanswered questions. And by you just getting in touch with them as a big brand or a small brand or any brand, getting in touch with someone personally and saying, hey, noticed XYZ you were interested in, how can I help? Is there anything you'd like to know? Any questions you have? They can say something like, oh, I was really interested, but I don't know if I'd be able to carry it in my backpack. Making up an example here. And you can say, oh, it's actually collapsible. And they'll be like, I had no idea it was collapsible. And then they're like, I'll buy it right now. And then you've got a sale. So by easy as just touching base with the people who have freely said that they're interested in what you do, you can do so well. And you can even, these people that you've then got in touch with, you're actually building a stronger relationship with because you've personally contacted them and to try and sort out how you can help them. And because you're super not annoying, don't be annoying, in the way that you've approached it, then they'll be super chuffed. They'll like your business more because you've bothered to get in touch with them and help them with what they wanted to know, or just maybe give them a discount code or whatever you like to do. And then they also can more likely become an ambassador for your business because of just the relationship that you formed with them simply through this poll and simply through messaging them privately. They may share your product on Instagram that they've received because they just had such a good experience working with you that then a couple of their friends might end up buying one. It just can spiral just from making that contact and from just creating a free Instagram poll. It's amazingly, amazingly powerful if you use it in that kind of way. And that's it. That's my just little hot tip that I learned that I thought was super, super valuable. So looking forward to seeing some of your polls and might even score some of your inboxes on Instagram from saying that I was interested. So yeah, that's it. Okay,